Create a Word document. Introduction. You have a job interview. You want to make a resume. How will you make a resume? In earlier times, people used to write personal and business documents by hand. But with the widespread use of computers and its applications, people have started using a computer to type a letter or any other document. What computer application will you use to make your resume? Have you heard about MS Word? Microsoft Word or MS Word is a word processing application that allows you to create a variety of documents, including letters, resumes, and more. Let's create your resume on a Word document. Objectives. At the end of this video, you will be able to create and save a Word document. Edit a Word document. How to start MS Word application. First of all, we will open a Word document. For this, open your computer. Click the Start button. The Start menu appears. 1. You may find the Microsoft Word 2019 program icon right there on the Start menu. If you see the Word icon, click it to run the program. Otherwise, try the next step. 2. Search for Word in the menu and click on it. 3. Choose the Microsoft Office item submenu to display its contents and then select Microsoft Word 2010. When you use Word a lot, it helps to have quick access to its program icon. You can create a Word shortcut icon on the desktop. 1. Locate the Word icon on the Start menu. 2. Right-click the Microsoft Word menu item. 3. Click on Pin to Taskbar. 4. Press the ESC key to hide the Start button menu and view the desktop. Create a Word document. Go to New greater than blank document. This is how you create a Word document. Type text in a Word document. Now let's type text in the resume. Now, save your document. Go to File. Save as. Give a file name, say, My Resume, and save it at the required location, desktop or documents or any folder. You can choose the required file extension like Docs or PDF. If you save the file as a PDF, it will not allow anyone to make any changes to your PDF document. Let's save the document in Docs format so that you can still make further changes to the text. Look how the file name, My Resume, appears in the title bar at the top of your Word document. This is the title bar shown on screen. Question. Now, as you reread your resume, you realize that you have made some mistakes. Had you handwritten this text on a paper, you would have to cross out the word sentence. And that would have looked messy. On the other hand, MS Word provides you an easy way to edit and make changes in your document. Editing involves making changes to the text in an existing document. This involves adding, inserting text, deleting text, rearranging blocks of text, searching and replacing text. Text includes words, sentences or paragraphs. Let us learn how to edit a Word document. Let's edit the resume. A lot of commands that help you to edit a Word document are available on the Home tab on the ribbon. This is the ribbon of a Word document. It comprises a few easily accessible commands that are needed to work on a document. Point the cursor one by one on all the tabs and say, these are the tabs. 1. File. 2. Home. 3. Insert. 4. Draw. 5. Design. 6. Layout. 7. References. 8. Mailings. 9. Review. 10. View. For editing the resume, you will mainly use the commands present in the clipboard group of the Home tab. Observe the commands Cut, Copy, Paste, and Format Painter. You will see each tab contains different groups, and each group contains one or more commands to perform various tasks like copying text, changing font, alignment, etc. The Home tab contains the most commonly used commands used to edit and format the text in a Word document. It contains the following groups: clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, editing. Now, let's learn how to use these commands to edit the resume. Add, insert text. You already know how to add text in your document. Suppose you also want to put in your career objective in your resume. A career objective is a statement that describes your professional goals in 2 to 3 sentences. So, place your cursor where you want to insert the text. Start typing the text and press enter to change the paragraph. You can also press enter after residential phone number 250663599 to create space to insert your career objective. Show it being typed on the screen. Delete text. A friend tells you that you don't need to enter class 11 marks in your resume. You also realize that you shouldn't mention dancing and painting skills under computer skills. So, you want to delete these 3 lines from your resume. For deleting, place your cursor at the beginning of the sentence and then select the whole sentence. The first thing that you need to do before performing any action, such as delete, move, or copy, is selecting the required text. After selecting the text, you can either click delete or backspace key on your keyboard. The text will be deleted. Cut, copy and paste text. Now, you want to mention your work experience first and then your educational qualifications. That is, you want to rearrange the information on your document. For this, you will cut the required text and paste it at another place. For this, first select the required text, cut the information under Educational Details, as shown in the image. There are 3 ways to cut text in Word. Method 1. Click the Home tab, go to the clipboard group and select the Cut button. Method 2. Right-click the selected text and select the Cut option from the pop-up menu. Method 3. Use shortcut command Ctrl+X to cut the required text. Paste it after information about work experience to paste the text. Place the cursor at the position where you want to paste the content. Then, you can use one of the following ways to paste the text. Click the Home tab, go to the clipboard group and select the Paste button. Right-click the selected text and select the Paste option from the pop-up menu. Use shortcut command Ctrl+V to paste the required text. Notice the text has been rearranged in the below image. Copy and paste text. Now, you want to add your name under personal details as well. To do this, copy the required text, Ramesh Khanna. For this, first select the required text as shown in the image to copy the text. There are 3 ways to copy text in Word. Method 1. Click the Home tab, go to the clipboard group and select the Copy button. Method 2. Right-click the selected text and select the Copy option from the pop-up menu. Method 3. Use shortcut command Ctrl+C to cut the required text. Now, paste it under Personal Details. Notice the text has been copied at another place in the below image. Now let us quickly see some other features available in a Word document. Quick Access Toolbar. This is the Quick Access Toolbar shown on screen. You will see 3 buttons here. Save, Undo, Redo. 1. The Save button will save your work and any changes you make to the document. 2. The Undo button erases the last change done to the document. For example, in your resume, you can add a word at the end, signature. Now click on Undo, you will see the word has been erased. 3. Now click on Redo button. The word or line reappears again. You can also add other options to the toolbar by clicking the Customize Quick Access Toolbar drop-down list on Quick Access Toolbar. Scroll bar. These bars that you see on the right side of the document is used to view any part of the document by moving up and down. The horizontal scroll bar becomes visible when you zoom the document. Status bar. Status bar appears at the bottom of an application. It shows information of your currently open document like page number, the total number of pages in a document, word count, language selection, etc. Control buttons. The ribbon display options minimize, maximize and close buttons are called control buttons. Ribbon display options helps you hide the ribbon. Minimize button minimizes your document, show the functioning on screen. Maximize button maximizes your document, show the functioning on screen. Now you have edited your Word document, but it doesn't look perfect right now, does it? In the next session, we will learn how to format a Word document to make it look attractive. Let's close the Word document. Go to the cross button at the very top right corner as shown on screen. And then select it. Your document will be closed. Question. Now, let's answer this question. In this video, you have learned to create and save Word document, edit a Word document, edit text in a document. Sometimes you may make mistakes and you may want to edit your text to make the required changes. Editing involves making changes to the text by adding, inserting, deleting and rearranging words, sentences or paragraphs in an existing document. At the end of this video, you will be able to edit text in a document. Some of the basic edit operations that can be performed on a Word document are navigating through text, inserting text, selecting text, deleting blocks of text, rearranging blocks of text, searching and replacing text. Let us take the text of the letter we typed in our last session and edit it. Navigating through text. Let us first see how to navigate through our text in a Word document. The following table lists the various keys used to navigate in a document. In your text, if you want to go up, you use the up arrow on the keyboard. Suppose if you want to go down in your letter, you use down arrow on the keyboard. If you want to go left, use left arrow on the keyboard. If you want to go right, use right arrow on the keyboard. You can use other navigation keys to perform the respective actions. Inserting text. Suppose you want to insert a line, when are your exams starting? Place your cursor where you want to insert the text. Start typing the text and then change the paragraph. Selecting and deleting text. Suppose you want to delete the line, when are your exams starting? Place your cursor at the beginning of the sentence and then select the whole sentence. After selecting the text, you can either click delete or backspace key on your keyboard. The text will be deleted. Cut and paste text. Using cut, copy, paste saves a lot of efforts that you would otherwise make in typing text or moving the text from one place to another in your document. Suppose you want to cut this text. You are so intelligent. I am sure you will do well. Don't stress. Just work hard and keep ample time for revision. Make a study timetable and follow it. And paste it after this line. I hope Maya Didi will be able to help you with your studies. She is so good at maths and science. If required, you can also join a tuition for some days to clear your doubts. This allows you to rearrange blocks of text in your document. Suppose you want to replace the word holidays with the word vacation. Go to Home tab and select Find. You will see a navigation bar at left side of the document. Type holidays and then click Enter. The word holidays will get highlighted throughout the letter. Now, to replace this word with vacation, select the drop down and select Replace with. You will see a pop-up bar. Type the word vacation in Replace with option. Then select Replace All. The word holiday will be replaced with vacation throughout the letter. Question. Let's do an exercise on how to cut, copy, paste, delete, find, and replace a text in a Word document. Suppose you have a paragraph on your document. You need to perform the following tasks. Find the word stable and delete it from the paragraph. Find the word Jawaharlal Nehru and replace it with the word Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Cut the text and paste it at the end of the article. Write the word constituent in front of the word assembly in the first line sentence of the last paragraph. Then copy the word constituent and paste it in front of the word assembly in the second and third sentence of the last paragraph. Summary. In this video, you have learned to edit text in a document. Formatting a Word document. Look at the two documents on the screen. Which one would you prefer to read? Quite obviously, the second one. Why? Because the second document has been properly formatted. What is formatting? Formatting the text written on a Word document includes changing the font styles, adding bold, italics, underlining and highlighting the text. It also includes adding bulleted or numbered lists, aligning the text and adjusting the line spacing. At the end of this video, you will be able to format the text in a Word document. First tell me, why do we need to format a document? So that the document is easy to read. A document needs to have the capability of holding the attention of a reader. A document containing high-quality content may not be able to grab the interest of a reader if it is not properly formatted. Let's see how to format text in a Word document. Let's take a Word document which has some paragraph text, as shown on the screen. Let's start with how to make the text bold. Sometimes you may want to make the word or text bold to highlight its importance. For example, many of us put the heading of the article in bold. To bold the text, go to the font group on the ribbon and click on Be Bold. When you write a paragraph on a Word document, you may want to underline the heading of your topic. To underline the text, go to the font group and select You Underline. And to make the text italic, select I Italic. You can select italic again to make the italic text to non-italic. Let's change the font of this text. For this, we will again go to the font group and select the required font from this drop-down menu. For example, select Broadway font style. Now let's increase the font size of this selected text. Select the font size from this drop-down menu. To increase the font size, click on this option N. To decrease the font size, select on this option. Let's set the font size at 12. You can make your document look appealing by using colors in your text. To make the text colorful, select the font color, using this option from the font group and select the color you want to use. Now if you want to copy this formatting to any other text, use Format Painter option on the clipboard group. For this, select the text with the required formatting. Click the Format Painter option in the clipboard group on the Home tab. Notice that the cursor changes to a paintbrush and an I-beam. Select the text to which the formatting needs to be applied. The required formatting is applied to the selected text. A. What does this option R do? B. Let us select this sentence in our text. Now let's click on R and select uppercase. C. Now select lowercase. As you can see, this option helps you to change the text in lowercase or uppercase. D. Sentence case puts the sentence in a sentence case wherein the sentence starts with a capital letter and rest of the words are in lowercase. Let's try toggle case. In this change case option, you will find the following options. Sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case. Now, you can see two sentences here. This is our apple. This is an apple. We know that the first sentence is incorrect because the article an is used with a word starting with a vowel like a. So, you can select the sentence and use strike through option from the font group to cut it or strike it out. This is used to show that this sentence is incorrect. Suppose you have written a long paragraph and you want certain important words text to get highlighted, stand out or be more visible. To do this, you can highlight your text. Highlighting the text is used to draw attention to important information in a text. Now to highlight the text. Select the text. Select the highlight option from the font group and choose the color you want. Let's highlight with yellow color. Do you like to read a document where the lines and words look congested and too close to each other? Or would you prefer to read a document that provides some space between the lines so that it is easy to see clearly and read? Let's see how to adjust spacing between the lines. To change the spacing between the lines of the text in a paragraph, you need to perform the following steps. Select the required paragraph. Click on the Home tab, go to Paragraph Group and click the Line Spacing drop-down arrow. A menu appears as shown on the screen. Select the required spacing from the menu. For our text, let's take the spacing 1.5. Now let's see how to align the text. The position of text with respect to the left and right margins is called alignment. By default, Word sets the top and bottom margins at 1 inch and the left and right margins at 1.25 inches. Let's have a look at the alignment options. Left Align. This option aligns your text with the left margin. Right Align. This option aligns your text with the right margin. Center Align. This option centers your text on the page. Justify. This option distributes your text evenly between the margins. Generally, we either left align or justify our text. With headings, you may want to use center align. Now, let's answer this question. Sometimes, when you write text in your document, you want to put the sentences in form of bullet points or a numbered list instead of a paragraph. For example, when you are creating reports and other business documents, you might want to group a set of information in the form of a list. A list is a method to collate data, which has been displayed in the form of items in a series. A series. How will you create a list? For this, select the paragraph or the list to be bulleted. Go to the paragraph group and click on the Bullets drop-down arrow. Choose the bullet style you want to use. The bullet style is applied to the selected list. You can select numbering option to give number formats to the list. A bulleted list can be both single level and multiple level as shown on screen. Now let's see how to apply border to a page. Borders are used in a Word document to grab the attention of the viewer. When you first look at the document, you would see a border stand out, making the first impression. To apply a border, you need to perform the following steps. Go to Design tab, Page Borders. Make selections for how you want the border to look. To adjust the distance between the border and the edge of the page, select Options. Make your changes and select OK. Suppose you are writing a long article and you want the page number and logo of your company to appear on every page of the document. How would you do that? You can use headers and footers to add a title, date, or page numbers to every page in a document. Now let's see how to apply header and footer. To apply a header or footer, go to Insert, Header or Footer Group, Header. Choose the header style you want to use. Add a change text for the header. Select Close Header and Footer or press ESC to exit. Similarly, you can apply the footer to add page number or any other text. Do you know you can set the orientation of your document in either landscape, that is, horizontal, or portrait, that is, vertical, mode? To set or change the orientation of your entire document. 1. Click Layout tab Orientation. 2. Select Portrait or Landscape. Now, let's answer this question. Formatting a Word document. Look at the two documents on the screen. Which one would you prefer to read? Quite obviously, the second one. Why? Because the second document has been properly formatted. What is formatting? Formatting the text written on a Word document includes changing the font styles, adding bold, italics, underlining and highlighting the text. It also includes adding bulleted or numbered lists, aligning the text and adjusting the